Good evening, my name's Oliver. I'm a student of Rob's for over a year, and today I'd like to talk you through a trade that I took last week. It's actually fairly typical with the kind of trades we like to take, although I do have to say I don't take many on this pair. I prefer to actually trade the majors, as you generally get higher quality setups on those. But it did work well, and it's typical entry, so it's probably worth talking about for those reasons. It was a sell entry on Euro Aussie dollar on the H4 time frame. I like the area, I like the level, and the move into the level was nice, so I did enter via a pending order. The key, which is what Rob's showing me, is knowing what areas and what levels are more likely to work. Some work much better than others. So my sell entry was at 1.51555, which is the blue line here, and my take profit was at 1.51, which is this level here. The one thing I would say about my take profit is it was quite flexible, and I do like to be quite dynamic with it during the life of the trade. My initial take profit was actually set a few pips lower, but the reality is if I do think there was a good chance of a big reversal prior to the take profit, I will take profit early, just in case the 1.51 level does reverse price. So I did actually raise my take profit a few pips to the 1.51 level and took profit early. And this is all part of my my approach and my understanding of the market, how I've been told. It's to be dynamic, but to trade in a relaxed manner. Similarly, if the trade was to go against me, it's a case of interpreting the chart, making a decision whether to stay in the trade, reduce your take profit, or even just to get out. If you are sitting in front of the chart, sweating it out, waiting for each price movement, then this is not the right way you should be trading. You have to have a certain amount of degree of confidence in the way you trade, and if you don't like how it looks, you have to reassess and manage the trade to reduce or get no loss. So this was my trade from last week. It was 55 pips. This was about 0.5% profit on my account, which for the month of August came to 7.7%. This trade obviously worked out perfectly. It gives insight into how we trade. Perhaps I will do another video in the future to show what would happen in a trade that went wrong, and perhaps what I did to try and resolve it.